How to turn off or on ongoing calls on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on ongoing calls on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, click on it, and then go down and click settings, and then click this one, notifications, and now just go down and you will find this one, configure notifications. Click on it, and then all you need to do is just find this one here, ongoing calls, notifications, ongoing calls. Click on it, and as you see, ongoing calls has been turned on. And if you want to turn it off, just click, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.